Hey everyone, Jason Hill here, and today I'm going to be preparing a Hawaiian macaroni salad, and it's one of my favorite chef's recipe, Roy Yamaguchi, who's a famous Hawaiian chef, very famous for the whole infusion with Japanese and Hawaiian cuisine. This was supposedly his mother's recipe when he was growing up, and it's super easy, so let's get started. I have 2 cups of cooked macaroni. We're going to put in a medium-sized diced red potato, and I like to leave the skin on for color and a little more nutrients too. 3 hard-boiled eggs that I've diced up. Oh, a little more in there. And then a 1.5 cups of mayo. And we're going to fold the mayo into the salad. You want to be a little gentle. You don't want to go in here and chop it up. Just kind of fold around the bowl. That's it, just 4 ingredients. And this was supposedly Roy Yamaguchi's mom's recipe. I don't know if you've ever had a chance to eat at a Roy's, but they're really good. High end. And that's what I like about Hawaii. You can go get high-end food, and then you can just find yourself at a cheap shrimp truck. Okay, so after you get your salad mixed up, a little salt and pepper to taste, fresh cracked pepper. See how I have my little pepper mill going? I don't have to hand crank it, so it gives me the option to have my other hand free to stir. And then I'm going to do a pinch of kosher salt from the heavens. Cover and put in the refrigerator and let it chill for about an hour. There we go. All right, let's give it a taste. Perfect. Super simple. And if it's good enough for Roy, it's good enough for me. Give this recipe a try, and thanks for tuning in.